Alright, today we're going to tie into this little ditch right here, and we're going to work our way up this way to try to stop some of this water going on over here. Don't know what we're going to be able to do or not. There'll be a lot of ice. So over here we're going to try to slope it back so the water will run into that ditch. So that is today's game plan. And we're going to try to do something here to kind of make the water slope that way and that way. That's today's job. Let the machine warm up. We'll get her unhooked off the trailer and we'll go from there. To be truthful, I didn't think I was going to be able to do anything today, as I thought it was going to be frozen, but I had to go and try, and so far so good. I dug a trench around this area, and now I'm just shaping it. Well, here I'm shaping up the ditch in the back of the house and grabbing the junk to haul away. I told the customer that I'd be hauling 2 loads away. They didn't have anywhere on the property to put it. But I ended up doing 3 loads and I had to haul them home. But that's okay. I'll make some topsoil out of it next summer. I'll screen it and mix it with some of the stuff I have here, and it looks like it's pretty good soil. Well, I have to say I'm quite pleased with the way the excavator works. It does a fair amount of work and does a nice job. So far, I'm very pleased. Alright, this is what I've got done so far. You do a little more shape in here. It's mucky, hard to work with when it's mucky, but the water is doing what I want it to do. It's running that way. They really need to get this ditch dug out so the trees and stuff aren't holding the water back. But that's what's happening there. But as you can see, I think you can see the water's running. That's what we want. So we'll dress this up a little better. And there's a high spot there. Not sure what I'm going to do with that. Anyway, I'm going to keep working.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun it beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through. And every step quicker than the last, my feet tread down this beaten path, and I keep on pushing through. 'Cause I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Oh, I've come too far in this to raise my flag and call it quits. So I keep on pushing through. My heart it pounds. Yes, so sure I have my doubts, but I must keep pushing through. Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground.
So I came and looked at this job, talked to the lady of the house, and asked them what they wanted, what the issue was. They said they had a lot of water coming down the driveway, and it makes it icy. As you can see, we had a small storm, and that's exactly what happened. I think what's going on is there's a lot of water coming from the side hill along where I'm building this ditch. So I'm hoping this will help some. When her father plows, he's plowing, and then when the snow melts, it's coming down the driveway. So up by the shed, I sloped it back, and I put a little swale along the back, and I sloped it towards it, so hopefully that will help some of this. And I'm just fixing up this ditch that's here to direct the water down along the driveway instead of on the driveway. So hopefully this will solve their issues. They did talk about adding some material just behind the excavator there. There's a flat spot, and they were hoping maybe that will fix it up. Now, we did discuss putting rock in this ditch, but just didn't have time for it today, and they said they would do it next spring. So I'm very pleased on how the excavator's working. I thought the ground might have been froze, and it is not, when you consider this stuff is soaking wet. And like I said, I hauled 3 load away. It was taking about 45 minutes per load. And I did find space along the bank to put a fair amount. I probably could have hauled another 2 load, maybe, for sure. But we did haul 3 loads away. So the way I priced this job, I priced it with the day's work, hauling 2 loads of material away, and the rock was extra. So I think they were pleased, and I hope what we've done is going to work for them. Well, we're getting this little ditch swale shaped up pretty well. It's difficult working when the ground is muddy. This has got a lot of clay topsoil in it, and it doesn't drain well. So this ditch should help a lot. I did shape this little mound that's here and try to make it so it's going to run into the ditch and not out to the driveway. And I'm thinking it looks pretty good. I don't know what it is about working in the dirt, and when you start shaping something up, and it's just gratifying. I enjoy it. So thank you for coming along with this little job that we did this day, and appreciate you watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please hit those buttons and we'll grow this channel. And until the next video, you guys get out and enjoy yourselves, and we'll see you in the next adventure.
Took a train back before the beach. Enough times. The worries are so out of reach. Enough minds. Evening fell and melted into sand. In our hands. In our hands.
All right. I don't like this mound here. I'm going to take a little more off of that. So we'll shape this up a little more. Got to get rid of that. I'm thinking that pile there is about 2 load. Truck's a little bit heavy here. Anyway, we're going to take this load. Hopefully we don't get stopped. I'm going to take this load.